Hi everybody, my name is Shlomit Bauman and I'm the head curator of Benyamini Contemporary Ceramics Center. The fact that designers, researchers and artists are working with the same digital tools was the initiative of the exhibition XYZT, Material Investigations. The first project I would like to show you called Pottery 3D by Avshalom Karasik and Yuzi Smilansky. Up to a few years ago, archaeological finds were documented with hand-drawn illustrations. Ceramic shards are illustrated with a longitudinal cross-section, profile, which represents the form of the vessel and an estimation of the diameter of the original lip. Today, most ceramic finds in Israel are illustrated with the Pottery 3D program, which enables digital drawing based on 3D scans of the shards. This program gives an exact and objective rendering as opposed to hand drawing. Another archaeological project called End of the Thread by Tolya Yashav deals with a collection of perforated stone pebbles found in a prehistoric village near the Sea of Galilee. On your right you can see Yonik Crystal, an expert in traditional craft, trying the pebbles as weights for thread for weaving with successful results. Analyzing the hole in the stone led the researchers to the assumption that the stones were eligible to be used as weights for weaving threads, so the researchers speculate that their appearance is indicative on a technological innovation in the field of textile production. The beauty in the project Fingerprint by Ortal Harosh shows that with computational tools, archaeologists can identify the special fingerprint of a potter. ha-Iac by Maya Ben David is an exercise in imagining the future through a fictional event that connects current scientific information with the perception of material culture in the future. Local graffiti by Sarah Kaminka, choosing images of historical clay pots, 10,000 years ago, for graffiti around the gallery, combining with QR code as a link to historical information. Not Made in China by Stratasys, which is a company developing 3D printers. In this printed project, the capabilities of colored 3D printers with high accuracy raise again the question of the relationship between the original and the reproduction. The colored 3D printing of 5 Chinese vases of the Qing dynasty was deceitful. The 3D copy was perfect. Unless you lift up the works and feel the weight, you will think it is an original. This work raises many questions, especially because it was already COVID-19. Shipping ceramics became very expensive and unreliable, without speaking about insurance costs, pollution, energy waste, etc. That's how I thought about the exhibition e-ceramics. Why to ship works if we can send files? So I invited artists and designers who 3D print ceramics to collaborate with us, to send files, and we will print them in Israel. I didn't think it will be so frustrating. But it led to a new, very interesting collaboration.
Well, it's more an amphora.
Yeah, let's save it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny. We are going to give it another try.
Another example is the project Twins, Nature and Nurture by Jonathan Keep. It is based on the idea that the digital file is like a human genetic code. Therefore, the prints from the same file are like identical twins. One twin was printed in Suffolk, England, while the other in Israel. The project examines the influence of the material and technological environment on the nature of the result. Atlas of Lost finds a reaction to the big fire at the National Museum of Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, in 2018. Almost 20 million objects in the museum were lost. The 3D Scans archive was one of the remains. Collaborating with the museum, Studio Unfold sent the 3D file of the Folidio to designers and artists and asked them to make an interpretation to the lost one. How does advanced technology help reproduce the past and question the present? How we can approve collaborations on different places on the globe? Does this technology change the status of the object? What will be the influence of open source on human knowledge and culture? I guess many other questions should be asked. Thanks for watching. I'm Shlomit Bauman, the head curator of Benyamini Contemporary Ceramics Center, Tel Aviv.